Itemine ria kugacirithia motungata makinyaniru mogima wa mwiri kuri muingi, mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William RUTO niaruguritie kiganda kia uthondeki na wendia wa ndawa mwena wa Athi River kaunti-ini ya Machakos. Kiganda giki gia Square Pharmaceuticals kirithondekaga mithemba itiganite ya ndawa iria iricokaga kwenderio ruhonge rwa uguri na wendia wa ndawa rwa KEMSA na thutha ucio igacoka gutwarwo thibitari-ini itiganite.
I have already instructed Minister to make an extra 2 billion shillings to KEMSA to enhance their ability to buy products from you for onward supply to our public entities around Kenya.
Kuringana na President, kiganda giki gikunyihia garama nene iria bururi uhuthagira hari kugura na kurehe ndawa kuma mabururi ma nanja na oho guteithiriria guthondeka mieke ya mawira kuri ya Kenya.
Ecosystem is huge and it all builds to the economy of this country.
Manufacture affordably. You hire the many Kenyans that are around and you pay taxes. I think that's a fair deal. What do you think?
Hamwe noguo riera riagiriru ria wonjoria niri kugacirithirio iganda, President agikinyiriria mieke ya mbere igi uguri wa indo iri ikoragwo ikiheo iganda cia guku bururi-ini, ene iganda nao makihinyiririo guthondeka indo cia ikiro iria ciagiriire.
The time that used to be taken to import products is going to be reduced. So we reduce on our lead times. If a product used to take 60 days to be available at KEMSA, it will now take 15 to 30 days.
Iganda makiria ni gukorwo ikihingurwo mwena wa Thika kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, Sagana kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, kaunti-ini ya Busia, undu mwena wa Sigishu. Ndeto ino President akiuga ni guteithiriria gukura kwa utonga wa bururi.
For a very long time, vendors went into the ministry and put their products as specifications for the supply of products. And that is why we have ended up with one supplier for 20-30 years.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.